Alright, so if you're seeing this error while installing a game or a large application, don't worry. The message says an error occurred while unpacking, unable to write data to disk. This usually happens because of two main reasons. Either your processor settings are limiting the installer, or your system simply doesn't have enough free space. So let's fix it. First, go to the Windows search bar and type System Configuration. Open it. Now go to the Boot tab, then click Advanced Options. Here you'll see something called Number of Processors. Check this option. Now select the maximum number of processors available on your system. If you're not sure how many cores your CPU has, you can check using a small free software called CPU-Z. In my case, my processor has 4 cores, so I set the number of processors to 4. Once that's done, click OK, then click Apply and click OK. Now Windows will ask you to restart your computer. Go ahead and restart. After the restart, this fix solves the problem for a lot of people. But there's one more thing you should check. Sometimes the real issue is not enough disk space. For example, the setup here requires about 140 gigabytes of free space, but the drive only has 134 gigabytes available. So the installer simply cannot finish unpacking the files. If that's the case, just free up some storage, delete files or programs you don't use anymore. Once you have enough space, run the installer again, and the error should be gone. And that's it.